Hi, if you found this video via our education centre, then the chances are you're looking to make a hire into your business, either on a permanent basis or potentially on an interim basis. So one of the questions that we are asked every time that we're involved in a process with a client is, how much is all of this going to cost? And a very valid question. Now, most people in recruitment will charge a very similar number, but trying to get a figure out of them up front, it can be really difficult. So I thought I'd share with you what we as an exec search and interim management firm would charge. So our permanent fees would be based on guaranteed first year's earnings. So taking into consideration base salary, there might be a car allowance involved, and if there's any kind of guaranteed bonus, then that would fall into guaranteed first year's earnings. And our terms are at a third, so 33% of whatever the sum total of that would be. There is always room for negotiation, and particularly if we're working with companies that are either pre-revenue or are at a revenue number of less than 10 million of turnover, then we would be flexible and we'd negotiate those terms. If you're looking to engage an interim, again, a slightly different structure of charge, but it would be a percentage of day rate. So our percentage of day rate usually would be at 30%. So if you bring in an interim CFO at £1,000 a day, we would charge £300 a day for our part of that process as well. So the total fee would be at £1,300 per day plus VAT. That's basically it. So hopefully that's useful for you. If you have any questions, then feel free to drop me a line. More than happy to have a discussion.